Hey guys, welcome to vteachacademy.com, and here in this presentation we are going to compare absolute value of integers. Coming to the first example, so here absolute value of minus 20 is 20, which is compared to integer 25. So here 25 is greater than 20, so we can say that absolute value of minus 20 is less than 25. Coming to the second example, and absolute value of minus 8 is 8, which is compared to absolute value of 8, which is nothing but 8. So here 8 is equal to 8, so we can say that absolute value of minus 8 is equal to absolute value of 8. Coming to the third example, absolute value of minus 38 is equal to 38, which is compared to absolute value of minus 27, that is nothing but 27. So here 38 is greater than 27. We can say that absolute value of minus 38 is greater than absolute value of minus 27. Now let us proceed and compare few more examples. Coming to the next example, that is absolute value of minus 46, which is equal to 46, is compared to minus 96. So here 46 is greater than minus 96. We can say that absolute value of minus 46 is greater than minus 96. Coming to the second example, that is absolute value of minus 25 plus 5 is nothing but absolute value of minus 20 is compared to the absolute value of minus 10. That implies absolute value of minus 20 is 20 is compared to absolute value of minus 10, which is nothing but 10. So here 20 is greater than 10. So we can say that absolute value of minus 25 plus 5 is greater. Coming to the next example, that is absolute value of minus 64 plus 8, which is nothing but absolute value of minus 56 compared to absolute value of 65. That implies we get 56 is compared to 65. So here 56 is less than 65. So we can say that absolute value of minus 64 plus 8 is less than absolute value of 45 minus of minus 20. Hope you understood the concept. Do like and subscribe to vteachacademy.com. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.